what's up, Andre? Quick demo video for your Scion right here. I got this conversion done just a few hours ago, actually, so we can go over it. It does have a Proffie in it now. It's got CC Saber's main PCB in here. You can't see that because I've got your blade plug that has your crystal in it, and I'll show you that. I'll show you how that lights up. We got rid of the wires underneath your clamp card for the touch sensitivity, and I went with 2 brass tactile switches, if you can see them right there, just barely, right, sticking out right there. So the front one is going to be your activation, and your back tactile here will be your auxiliary. How you get to everything is just unscrew the handle. You got a really cool metal sleeve in here. Be careful the chassis doesn't come out. But so you got that sleeve here, and you got your chassis sticking out the back, and you just pull it out like this. This is using Smuggler's Outpost Switch Pixel PCB set. So there are 14 pins back there on a PCB that never come out. And then, of course, they line up with this PCB right here. And then here's your chassis. All right. Let's say Solo Saber's over here for me in Airbrush. It's got the Smuggler's Outpost emblem here. Tight snap fit down for your Proffie board. And then, of course, a removable battery setup. So we'll throw a battery in a 28mm SO. It's an SO Elite speaker, if I didn't say that already. All right, so we'll throw a battery in this guy. If I'm the one that puts the battery in backwards, that would be the biggest irony ever. So don't want to do that. Once you put the battery in, you can put this thing in any way you want. Just bring it over here and slide it right in. It doesn't matter how it's lined up. And then take your handle and screw it on right after that. And you do have motion controls. So you could swing this guy on, or you can come over here and just hit the activation button. And I wanted to show you your crystal lighting up before I took it out, because this is a NeoPixel blade plug, basically. So I wanted you to see how I got everything lined up right, and this guy sits flush with your emitter, and it still lights up. So that is the blade plug that came with your saber. It's still functional. And now you can see those CC Sabers in there. Nice and loud. Auxiliary. And then we're going to use that same grub screw for your blade retention. This guy takes a 1-inch NeoPixel blade. So we're going to slap that in there real quick, and you get some nice shine through. But we do need to lock this down. This just has a stock font configuration on it. There is a copy of the config that I used on your SD card, so when you want to build from that, you can see what I did there. So that's Blaster Bolt Deflex. You got Battle Mode. So that's how you initiate blade lockup until you pull away from it. If you want to change color, hold down aux and hit power. You'll hear that noise. And now you can just twist the saber and cycle through different colors. So if you want to land on a red, just hit power when you find a color that you like, right? So now we'll have a red blade, and you got some nice shine through here up in this window. Just like that. Hold down power for 1 second and let go to get to your soundtracks. It's a little less than a second, but you know, and then it gets there. And then to turn it off too. So, and then to get to your next sound font, hit auxiliary. This speaker is really loud. It has a lot of bass. You can actually feel it right here when you're swinging this guy around. Do another one. Nice fire blade. And one more. Smooth fuzz. Just a solid, nice red blade, right? just like that. So yeah, everything's working like it should on this guy. Hope you like the way it came out. I always enjoy doing these conversions. These sabers make really good Proffie conversions, or CFX too, right? To get to everything back, right, you just want to unscrew the handle again, slide it off, and then you can just pull your chassis right out just like that. And then we'll take it out from the speaker side. And then once that's out, we can take the chassis and just slide it back into the saber for safekeeping. And that, sir, is your saber. Let me know if you got any questions. If not, this will go out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks.